What if I told you that in 2026, launching a meme coin can make you $950,000 in just a few weeks? Sounds crazy, right? But it's happening right now. Here's the shocking truth. While 99% of meme coin investors are sitting around waiting for the next big pump, the real money is being made by people who know the system, the mechanics, the secrets. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to launch a meme coin in 2026, from 0 to 6 figures. Not theory, not hype, pure brutal mechanics of how the money flows. And I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This is high risk. This is speculative. But if you understand the game, the odds are in your favor. Let's begin. The meme coin market is broken into 3 distinct eras. Era 1 from 2017 to 2021. Anything with a funny dog could pump 10x. Easy money. Retail speculation. Zero barriers. Era 2 from 2021 to 2024. Community-driven tokens. You needed influencers, hype, social media reach, but still accessible. Era 3 from 2025 to 2026. This is where we are now, and it's professionalized. Here's what changed. First, the platforms. Pump.fun on Solana changed everything. Bonding curves. Instant liquidity. No coding needed. The barrier to entry dropped to 0. Second, the tools. Token creators can now generate a meme coin in literally 60 seconds. Cost? Between $2 and $20. You don't need developers. You don't need audits. You don't need a white paper. Just an idea and a wallet. Third, the volume. The meme coin market cap is $472 billion as of 2026. That's trillion-level ecosystem energy. And trillions move through these tokens every week in trading volume. Here's the kicker. According to recent on-chain analysis, 82.8% of successful meme coins show evidence that their growth was artificially orchestrated. Let me say that again, 82.8%. This means that the winners aren't lottery tickets. They're engineered. They're built. And if you understand the blueprint, you can build one. This is not about picking a random funny name. This is about narrative engineering. Ask yourself, is it an AI meme? Pippin and Goat earned millions in late 2025. Is it a political meme? The Trump meme coin hit $8.7 billion market cap in 2025. Is it a pop culture meme? Pepe, Doge, Shiba all have billion-dollar valuations. Is it a trend-jacking meme? Something riding current momentum. Here's the winning strategy for 2026. Pick something that is, first, instantly recognizable. The logo should be the meme itself. No explanation needed. Second, culturally relevant. Tied to something happening right now. Not yesterday, not next month. Third, shareable. Can it be sent as a meme? Can people spam it in Discord? Twitter? If yes, you have a winner. Fourth, controversial. Just enough. Boring memes die. Controversial memes go viral. But not so controversial that you get banned. Real example, Pippin was an AI agent mascot riding the 2025 AI hype. In December 2025 alone, it went from microcap to $750 million in coordination. Why? Because it was positioned perfectly at the intersection of AI trend and meme culture. Now let's talk about supply. This is critical for profit mechanics. The old way, create 1 trillion tokens, price them at $0 1, attract retail FOMO with you can own millions of tokens. The new way in 2026, lower supply, bigger individual token price, creates artificial scarcity and faster price appreciation. Optimal formula, 500 million to 1 billion total supply. Why? It gives room for price appreciation. can go from $0.001 to $1 without looking insane. It's low enough that people feel they own a significant amount. This is psychology at work. It's high enough to create liquidity pool depth. It allows for whale psychology. If someone is going to pump, their investment has massive leverage. Here's the smart allocation. 70% to liquidity pool, locked initially. 20% to creator wallet. This is your exit opportunity. 10% for airdrops, giveaways, influencer partnerships. Here's where most people get confused, but it's actually dead simple in 2026. Option 1. Pump.fun on Solana. This is fastest. Pump.fun is the platform for meme coins. Here's why. Bonding curve automated market maker, or AMM. Instant liquidity. No need to provide initial capital. Trades happen immediately after creation. 1% fee on trades, which is Pump.fun's revenue model. Cost $2, roughly 0.0001 Sol. Here are the steps. Go to Pump.fun. Connect your Solana wallet. Phantom or Backpack, either works. Click Create Token. Fill in name, symbol, description, logo as a PNG image. Set your bonding curve parameters. Click Launch and confirm the transaction. Done. Your token exists and is live. Total time, 2 to 3 minutes. Total cost, $2 to $5. The bonding curve mechanism is crucial. Here's how it works. Early buyers get massive advantage. When you buy at the start, the price is at floor. As more people buy, the price mechanically increases. This is not artificial pump and dump. It's built into the protocol. Example, you create coin with 1 billion supply. First 1 million buyers at 0.0101 means they own 1% of supply for $10,000 invested. But as the curve progresses and price goes to 0.01, those buyers have 10x returns just from the bonding curve mechanics, regardless of demand. Option 2. Token tool on Ethereum, Base, or BSC. This is more flexible. If Solana feels too crowded, you can use Token tool. Works on Ethereum, Base, Polygon, or BSC. Slightly higher fees, around $20 to $50. More customization options. Slightly slower because it needs a liquidity pool creation step. For maximum speed and lowest cost, Pump.fun on Solana is your play in 2026. This is where the real magic happens. The technical launch is the easy part. Making money is about momentum. Here's the framework that's working in 2026. First comes the pre-launch whisper campaign. This happens 24 hours before. Create a Discord server with 10 people, you and friends. Create a Telegram group with the same group. Post, something big coming tomorrow. Be ready. Don't say what. Mystery creates FOMO. Why? Because when you launch, you'll have immediate community engagement. Discord shows activity. Activity is a signal to other traders. Next, launch and immediate volume. This happens in the first 2 hours. This is critical. As soon as your token goes live on Pump.fun, you need immediate buy volume. Here's the mechanic. The bonding curve increases price based on token supply purchased. So if you can create the appearance of organic buying in the first 2 hours, you trigger a price spike. Strategy: use 10 to 20% of your initial capital to execute buy orders in the first 120 minutes. Cost: let's say you're starting with $5,000 commitment. Spend $500 to $1,000 in the first 2 hours creating volume. This pushes price from 0.001 to, for example, 0.05 to 0.1. This triggers alerts on trading bots and social platforms. Third, social media blitz. This happens concurrent with launch. Post simultaneously on Twitter or X, threads showing the token launch, chart, community. Use trending crypto hashtags. Tag relevant influencers. Reddit. Post to r.crypto moonshots or r Solana. Frame it as just launched, not please pump my coin. TikToker Shorts, 15 to 30 second clip of the token chart spiking. Title: This just pumped 50%. What is it? Make it curiosity driven. Discord communities. Join relevant crypto Discord servers. Post charts. Don't shill directly. Let the chart speak. Why does this work? Because trading bots crawl social media for tokens with volume spikes and social mentions. They auto-detect trending tokens. And they buy real data. Tokens that have coordinated social plus on-chain volume spikes see 3 to 10x faster price appreciation than tokens with volume alone. Fourth, influencer partnerships. This happens hours 2 to 24. Now that you have momentum, DM micro-influencers in crypto. Hey, I launched my coin. We're at $2 million market cap and just made the trending charts. Want a collab? I can send you $500 worth of tokens or a cash payment. Why micro-influencers, not mega ones? Because mega influencers cost $10,000 to $100,000. Micro-influencers with 10,000 to 100,000 followers cost $100 to $500 and have higher engagement rates. Their audience actually acts on recommendations. Real example. A micro-influencer with 50,000 followers posting, "Bought this meme coin, chart looks insane," drives 50 to 200 real buyers. That's $5,000 to $20,000 in new volume. Fifth, the first pump sequence. This happens hours 4 to 12. By now you should have chart spiking naturally from social momentum, trading bots piling in, influencers posting about it, Discord and Telegram growing, on-chain addresses growing. This is the sweet spot to take your first profits. Remember, you allocated 20% of tokens to your creator wallet. Let's say that's worth starting price $0.001. If chart goes to 0.10, which is 100x, not uncommon in first 24 hours, your 20% allocation is now worth 1 billion tokens times 20% equals 200 million tokens. 200 million times 0.10 equals $20 million. This is where people get millionaire status. But here's the professional move. Don't sell it all at once. Don't rug pull. Instead, ladder exit strategy. At 2x, sell 25% of your bag. Lock in $5,000 profit if you started with $5,000. At 5x, sell another 25%. Lock in $12,500 more. At 10x, sell another 25%. Lock in $25,000 more. At 20x, sell final 25%. Lock in $50,000. Total extracted, around $92,500 from initial $5,000 investment. Why is this better than an all-in rug pull? Because you keep 10% of your creator tokens, and if the token actually gains traction and becomes a real community meme, that remaining 10% could be worth millions long-term. This is the question. How do you turn $5,000 into $950,000? The answer: you don't launch one meme coin. You launch multiple in sequence. Here's the playbook. Month 1, launch 3 meme coins. Meme coin number 1, make $20,000 profit. Meme coin number 2, make $35,000 profit. You're getting better at the mechanics. Meme coin number 3, make $50,000 profit. You have a small community now, more traction. Subtotal $105,000. Month 2, launch 4 meme coins. You have capital and experience. Coin number 4, $75,000. Coin number 5, $100,000. Coin number 6, $150,000. Coin number 7, $200,000. Subtotal $525,000. Total so far $630,000. Month 3, launch 2 meme coins. Focus on quality over quantity. Coin number 8, $250,000. This is your best executed launch using all previous learnings. Coin number 9, $320,000. Timing is perfect, market conditions are bullish. Total, $950,000. But wait, how is this realistic? Here's the secret. Survivor bias plus compounding capital. Once you make $50,000, your next launch doesn't cost $2. It costs $2 plus $500 for better graphics, influencers, marketing. But your return multiplies because you have a reputation. Even small followers matter in niche communities. You have capital to deploy more aggressively. You understand the timing and mechanics better. Market conditions are more favorable. Real case study. In December 2025, a trader who understood bonding curve mechanics launched 5 meme coins on Solana sequentially. First 3 each returned $30,000 to $50,000. Coins 4 and 5, leveraging the community built from coins 1 through 3, returned $200,000 plus each. The math: $50,000 plus $50,000 plus $40,000 plus $200,000 plus $300,000 equals $640,000 in 30 days. Before you get stars in your eyes, let me be brutally honest about the risks. Risk number 1, rug pull accusations. If you take profits too aggressively, the community will call rug pull. You'll get blacklisted. Your next launch will fail. Mitigation. Lock 50% of your creator tokens for 6 months. This is provable on-chain. Announce your profit taking. Taking my initial investment out, leaving 10% moon bag. Continue engaging the community after you take profits. Risk number 2, regulatory crackdown. In 2026, regulators are starting to crack down on meme coin. The SEC is investigating manipulation. Mitigation. Don't explicitly promise returns. Don't coordinate pump and dump with multiple accounts. Don't use fake identities or shell companies. Be transparent that this is a speculative asset. Risk number 3, market turning against you. If Bitcoin crashes 30%, meme coins crash 80%, your $5,000 investment could become $500. Mitigation. Only use capital you can afford to lose. Don't leverage. Don't borrow money. Diversify. Launch coins across different themes. Exit aggressively when you hit targets. Don't get greedy waiting for 100x if you already have 10x. Risk number 4, platform changes. Pump.fun could change their fee structure or shut down. Solana could have network issues. Ethereum gas fees could spike. Mitigation. Monitor platform changes daily. Have backup deployment chains ready. Base, Polygon. Use established platforms only. Pump.fun, token tool, DEX tool. Let me explain why this is actually working and why it's not just gambling. The bonding curve advantage. Traditional crypto investing. You buy an asset, hold it, hope demand increases. Meme coins. Demand is mechanically increased by the bonding curve. You engineer initial momentum. Social media amplifies it. Trading bots accelerate it. And this creates real price discovery. The network effect. Each meme coin you launch adds to your personal brand. That guy launched 3 successful meme coins. Now your 4th launch has built-in credibility. The attention economy. In 2026, attention is the scarcest resource. Meme coins are pure attention. They don't promise utility. They don't promise tech. They promise culture and community. And where attention goes, capital follows. The volatility advantage. Traditional investors hate volatility. Meme coin traders love it. 100% daily swings are normal. This means you can make 10 to 20x returns in 24 to 48 hours. You can't do that with stocks, bonds, or traditional crypto. So, here's the bottom line. Can you make $950,000 launch in meme coins? Yes, absolutely. People are doing it right now. Will you? Probably not. Here's why. 82% success rate doesn't mean 82% of people. It means 82% of successful coins. Most people launch coins that get zero traction. Timing matters. You need to catch market conditions, attention windows, narrative moments. Experience matters. Your first 3 launches will probably fail or net small returns while you learn. Discipline matters. Most people get greedy, hold too long, get rugged, or chase losses. But here's what is realistic. If you understand this system, launch 5 meme coins and execute with discipline. Coin number 1, small loss or break even, -$2,000 to +$5,000. Coin number 2, small gain, +$10,000. Coin number 3, medium gain, +$30,000. Coin number 4, solid gain, +$75,000. Coin number 5, big gain, +$150,000. Total realistic return from 5 launches, $263,000. Starting from $5,000 capital. Is it $950,000? No, but it's 50x your initial investment. That's generational wealth creation. For most people, that changes their life. My final word of caution. This guide is educational. I'm showing you how the mechanics work, not encouraging you to YOLO your life savings into meme coins. Use position sizing. Only use capital you can afford to lose. Don't leverage. Don't let FOMO drive your decision. But if you understand the game, play smart, and execute with discipline, the money is there. It's real. And it's waiting for people who know how the system works. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit like for the brutal honesty and subscribe for more crypto mechanics breakdowns. See you in the next one.